guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan and I am going way outside of my color comfort zone tonight. The minute I pulled out the yellow and started painting the canvas, I went, eek! Yellow is not my color. So here's my color palette tonight. I have yellow and it's cadmium yellow light, and then I mixed up some Naphtha crimson with some cadmium yellow light and titanium white. And then my teal is a mixture of, what did I use? I used phthalo green, yellow shade, and cerulean blue hue. So that's my kind of, can you see that? It's kind of a tealy green. So those are my three colors, and I have a little bit of white. I thought I'd go ahead and use, ooh, why do I have two sticks in there? My white that's mixed, but I don't really have a lot of it, so there's not a lot of white. But there is some, because I think these bright colors need something to, I don't know, pull back maybe? I don't know, this is just way outside my comfort zone. I did paint my canvas yellow a little bit on the edges on the sides, so I don't have to worry about getting all the sides covered perfectly. Put a drop of silicone, I have not done that yet. Whoops, that one got 3. I think my teal got 2. So, and they're all mixed with Basics Matte Fluid Medium and water. I think this is mixed with Floetrol and the Fluid Matte Medium. Oh, look, I got blue. Must have had blue on the bottom of my white. Okay, it's all going to get covered, no big deal. But before well, let me get my flip cup ready. I think I'm going to do a flip cup with this. Like I said, this is really outside my comfort zone. It's really bold colors. I tend toward blues and purples and kind of more subtle shades, or subtle combinations. So this is like, whoa. For me anyway, probably not for some of you. So I'm just going to do a flip cup for my own sanity. Just start with the white. I guess there's a little more in there than I thought. It's a little thick because it's older. I did add a little bit of water, but probably could have used even more. Should we do the yellow after the white? No, let's do orange, yellow, and green. Let's keep the orange and the green a little bit separated. And this is, I think it came through pretty well on the camera. It's a little less red than it looks in the camera, at least on my phone. Add just a hair bit of water to that. Just kind of a fiery peach, I guess is what I would call it. There we go. Probably not going to use all of it. Okay, then we'll do yellow. This is a really bright yellow. My daughter came in while I was mixing colors and she said, I bet if I wrote on that canvas with a highlighter, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Yeah, it's a bright yellow. There's quite a bit of white in there, actually. I'm going to use a lot of this because this is like my favorite of the colors. Okay, now before I flip, I did this last time and I really liked how it made the paint move on the canvas. So I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to cover the canvas lightly with this Basics Matte Fluid Medium, just to give the paint something to slide on. You know how it sometimes when you're moving it, unless you flood the canvas with paint, it sometimes gets stuck and you're trying to get it to the corner and you're losing things you want. And meanwhile, your paint is just kind of avoiding an area. So this will help it to slide. And I did this the last time and I really liked it. I did a swirl, and after I did the swirl, when I moved it, when I tilted it, the paint really moved well. So just gonna do it again. And this is a medium, so it has all the binders, so I don't have to worry about my paint not adhering, or, you know, like a layer of water or something that's gonna possibly affect the binding properties. So there's that. All right, let me get these little things away. And we'll do the little flippity flip. Okay. Ooh, it also makes my cup want to slide. It's the first time I've done a flip cup with it on there. It wants to slide, slide, slide. Okay, I'm seeing lots of green. Not sure I'm gonna like this. Oop. Let's get some of that orange out of there. Because I like the way that looks, kind of sitting on top. Let's get some more of that. We'll save the rest in case we want to do that. Let's torch and then I'll tilt. Let's see what we can get here. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the colors, because I'm looking at them, I still don't really like it. Oh, that's pretty. Right to that corner. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm seeing a stoplight, but oh my goodness. I like where it looks like ribbons. I'm not real crazy about the... It doesn't look like spots. I'm going to pull that over. I don't want to lose much more paint over that edge. Probably could have used about another ounce or so. Maybe not quite that much. Maybe about a ½ ounce of paint. Wow, okay. I'm still not any more crazy about these colors than I was to begin with, but it's interesting. I'm going to give it an interesting. It's my bold pour. Okay. Let's see if I can pick some of this up, put on that corner. Let's see, actually, let's just use this. And call this Go Bold or Go Home. I don't know, guys. Not my favorite. Part of me wants to fiddle with it, but I don't think I'm going to. It's the colors. I'm just not. These are just not my colors. So, I think I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let it dry, see if it grows on me. Let me know what you guys think. Should I let it grow on me? Or is this a do-over canvas? Here I go fiddling. Couldn't quite leave that. Looked a little odd. Okay, I'm going to give you some close-ups. Okay, I know somebody out there likes bright colors. Ooh, look, I dripped. But they are not my thing. But I tried it. I went bold. I went big and bold. So what do you guys think? Look too much like a stoplight to you? Or thumbs up or thumbs down? Let me know what you think. I'll see how many times I can say, what do you think, in this one particular video. We will see you next time, guys. In the meantime, happy pouring.